This is tutorial number 95, and it covers the part body within Catia V5. To start off, open up tutorial part number 6C, which is located on the DVD. So in this tutorial, I'm going to give you an introduction to the part body within Catia V5. As in the next few tutorials, I'm going to show you how to create multiple part bodies, how to use these additional part bodies, and how to apply them to Boolean operations to create unique parts from multiple part bodies. So in this tutorial part, if you open up part 1 and part 2 and slowly go down the tree, you'll find the part body for each. And if you open the part body, you'll notice that you have your pocket and your pad and your pad. So what the part body is it includes all of the features that you have in your part. So when you start out and make your part, everything's going to be under one part body. Now you're also able to include more than one part body under one part, and you'll still have all of these different features under these part bodies. Now, as you have multiple part bodies, they're going to interact with each other in unique ways. And what we're going to do in the next few tutorials is I'm going to show you how these multiple part bodies actually do interact with each other in unique ways and how to apply and manipulate it to your design. So this concludes our tutorial on the part body within Catia V5.